Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to retrieve deleted photos on your iPhone. So if you want to retrieve deleted photos that you've deleted, you can just do that by going to the recently deleted photos folder in your gallery app. So to do that, we're going to open up our Photos app, press Collections, and then scroll down until we find recently deleted. There we go. Now this album is locked behind like passcode or your Face ID. So once you unlock it, all of the deleted photos will be here. And now if you want to retrieve them, what you do is you press on the photo or video that you want to recover, and then press recover and confirm. And it's that simple. So now that if we return to our main library, here is the photo. It even returns to the same place in the album, in your camera roll. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.